Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be going over who is eligible for Facebook Stars. So I basically just went onto Facebook itself and I'm going to go through an article with you to learn who is actually eligible to earn with Facebook Stars, just because it's been a common question that I've been getting with a lot of my other videos. So the eligibility requirements to earn money from Facebook Stars is that you must meet the community standards, you must be compliant with the partner monetization policies, you must have 500 followers for at least 30 consecutive days. You must live in a country that's eligible for stars. You must agree to the stars terms and conditions, and you must be 18 years old. Now, the problem that I see that most people have is that usually they're in a country that's not eligible for stars, or they're not compliant with Facebook's partner monetization policies and content monetization policies. So do be sure to actually read these to see if you're eligible for Facebook stars. Now, to check and see if you're actually eligible to earn money from Facebook Stars, what you're going to go and do is go to Meta Business Suite on the web. On the left menu, click on Monetization. Below Status, click on View Page Eligibility. And then to see if you're eligible to monetize Facebook Stars Professionally mode on your profile, go to your professional dashboard, click on Stars below Tools to Try to review your profile's Stars eligibility status. If you're eligible to monetize Stars, you can now enable Stars in this dashboard. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you need to, I'll go ahead and pause this video and go through these steps to see if you're eligible to earn from Facebook Stars. If you know of a better or easier way to actually learn if you're eligible for Facebook Stars, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.